Next up, we have the door frame, also known as the jamb. This is what the door slab is hung on, and when combined, you have a pre-hung door.
The frame of the door, also known as the jamb, is what the slab is mounted on, which is then affixed to the framing of the opening, which we'll talk about a bit later. There are a few different parts that comprise a fully assembled jamb: the legs, the head, then the stop, which is either a part of the jamb leg itself or applied separately, which is what the door closes against. The jamb itself has a few different sizes. The overall depth is determined by the current condition of the home and installation method. This can vary all over the place, lower end usually being 4 1/8 of an inch and up to an exceeding 6 inches in others. The door jamb is generally going to be 3/4 of an inch thick and has a cutout for the weather stripping to be inserted. One last thing as it pertains to jambs. When a fully assembled unit with a slab is hung inside of a jamb, it is known as a pre-hung unit. When calling out sizing for a pre-hung unit, we will always see the net frame size, or net frame dimension. This is taken from the outside of the frame, which is essentially adding the thickness of the frame parts and pieces to the inside opening or door size. Depending on the vendor, on average, you are going to add 1 1/2 inch to the width of a door to get the net frame width, and around 1 1/2 of an inch to the height. This can vary by vendor and the way they build their units. The key is ensuring it is done to the requested net frame on the detail.